Hello crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to show you some cards I made with this super fun collection, just came out from Spellbinders, and it's called Spectacular Christmas, and it consists in 4 different dies and a stamp set that unfortunately I don't have. So we got the main die here that is an adorable bear, and on this one it's got the head, the body, and then accessories, um, even for the glasses, accessories specifically for glasses. It's got pudding, Christmas pudding that can be layered and decorated as well. So super cute. It's got scarf as well. Adorable. Anyway, this is the main, but then you can use the body for the other 2 die set down here. This one is the Spectacular Deer, it's called, and it's got just the head. It's got the hoop, I don't know what to say, but the antlers. It's got the nose and the backing for the ears, the cheeks, and the nose. Then this one is the Spectacular Penguin, and again it's got just the head and different accessories. You can give it ear muffs, or it's got glasses that you can decorate it with ho-ho. And then it's got these 2 little bits that I have to be completely honest, I didn't find out what they are for yet. No idea, but we'll see. And then, of course, we got the Spectacular Santa. So the Spectacular Santa's got the body of Santa, of course, the face, and the beard, and the sack, and of course all the hat. And then it's got some funny glasses as well. But let me show you my samples. So this one is the Spectacular Deer. That is so cute, it's adorable. I gave him the glasses. I didn't have any decoration for the glasses, although I kept it simple. And the scarf and hat, it's got the cheeks, and then I gave him a Christmas pudding that he can hold because the arm can detach a little bit. Now the background is the present foil of the month that I decided to use, and the sentiment is from Dear Santa collection that I'm gonna show you in a couple of days. That is super cute as well. So this is the first card. I love this little bird, it's just too sweet. And yeah, I think it worked nicely with the present foil, with this background. Now this is the deer. Look how cute. Adorable. Again, you can see better the scarf. I didn't give him anything to hold in this case. It's got the antlers. Now the background is 3D embossing folder, and the sentiment as well. They're all part of the Dear Santa collection. So I just decided to steal to use it for this card, just to give a fun background. And of course that arch there is the Make-A-Wish die set, one of my favorite. So this is the deer, and third one is the Spectacular Penguin. Look how cute she is with the ear muffs and the scarf, and I give a little letter as well. The cat in black. Now the letter is just a rectangle and a triangle that I put together. So I just unmade that. And this one is of course the Make-A-Wish arch. Season Greetings is part of the same collection as before, the Dear Santa. And this one is the 3D embossing folder of the month. Look how pretty, with the script for Happy Christmas. And the fourth card is with Santa. He's got this adorable expression with the, I don't know, it's so cute. It's got the bell and the belt, the sack, and this, I attached the funny glasses. Didn't put it directly on his eyes, I decided to put it on top of his hat because, he's almost ready to go and in the slate. Now this background is created with a die set from a previous collection, the Poppy Songs, and again this at the back, the pink background is the embossing folder from the embossing folder of the month, this time not the 3D, and the sentiment again from Dear Santa, I'm stealing. So these are cards I made today, and I like them. I like them a lot, even if they're not my usual style. Usually I leave a lot of white on my cards, but I think they turn out okay. I hope you like them anyway. And just let me know what you think, and if you got a favorite, let me know which one is it. Any interaction or likes or comment helps a lot the channel, so I really appreciate every time you leave a comment, so thank you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will of course list this super cute collection down below if you might be interested to check it out. I really appreciate you being here, and hopefully I'll see you soon with another video. Thank you again, and bye!
In a world that moves too fast, I find peace in the paper and the past. With every cut, with every fold, a little piece of my heart takes hold. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul. When the silence starts to creep, I turn to cardstock, lose myself deep. Step and emboss, feel the release. In the shimmer I find my peace. Spellbinders take me home to the colors, the layers, the glitter and gold. Making cards, it makes me whole. It's my therapy, it's good for the soul.